G'day YouTube, in this video we're going to show a time-lapse of how we build a kitchen caravan. I went through various designs to get what we wanted, and for designs like this, from this one, and eventually we settled on a design like that. So the kitchen's 1.8 meters long, it folds out on rails, has a sink and a stove, 2 drawers and a foldable table. By the way, I'm not a trained professional. I'm not a metal worker. I actually work in IT. Just anyone can do this. You just got to put your mind to it, plan out what you need, and get handy on the tools. The tools you need, well, all of them. Mainly an angle grinder and a welder. So this is part 1, where we're mocking up the frame. It's out of 20mm tubular steel. We'll be mocking up the frame, welding it together, and I think more of that in part 2 and 3 as well. And then we'll start putting in the bench top and the drawers, and you'll see.